What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to do a high taper. You know me, I don't like to waste time. Let's get straight into it. So firstly, I'm just going to brush down the sides first, just to make it just smooth and even before I start cutting. That's what I like to do first. Now I'm going to grab my trimmer just to make the guideline, and I'm going to start from the top right there, as you can see, and I make a straight line all the way to my ear, just like so. Quick tip, don't press so hard with the trimmer because you know trimmers are sharp, and then when it's time to erase the guideline, it'll be very hard to fade it out with the clipper. So right now I'm just making sure I clean up the rest of the hairs. As you can see, I flipped the trimmer, just going against the grain to make it more smooth and clean. So that's the first side done. I'm going to do the next side. So now that you are done with the guideline, you are going to grab your clipper, put it lever closed just like so, and grab your 0.5 and just go up ½ an inch. We're doing this to soften up the bald line that we made so it would be easier to flick out. Just take your time and you'll see amazing results. Don't try to rush the fade. Gotta make sure to follow the steps to make the fade pop. So right now, I'm just preserving some hair on my hairline right here. As you can see, I'm not cutting the vertical bars. See, I'm leaving some hair right there, just so when I come in for the lineup, so that way I'll have enough hair on my vertical bars to come in with the lineup. What that does, basically, just makes it appear more sharper. So right now, I'm grabbing my clipper, lever open, with no guard, and I'm gonna flick out the bottom line that we were talking about this whole time, the one that's hard to come out. See, right there. And I'm just gonna play with the lever, starting from open all the way to closed. And I'm starting from open right now. Boom, I just changed it. And I'm just flicking out that bottom line, using the corners of my blade. It's very important, y'all. Don't want to go too high and then create another problem, create another bald spot, and then you have to bring the fade higher. So just take your time and be patient. And if you don't see the line come out, you can also take your trimmer and then do the exact same thing. Use the corners of the trimmer and just flick out the bottom line, because the trimmer is obviously more sharp and closer to the blade, so it will cut. Make sure to always have a brush with you and brush down the hair so you can see everything that's going on. Now I'm gonna grab my one guard, lever open, and go up ½ an inch. So I'm gonna brush it down, and then I'm gonna come in with the same guard, but just lever close now, and then just attack that line that I'm showing you guys. And you notice how I always start from open first? Yeah, I do that first because just for safety reasons, I don't want to take off too much first, and just playing it safe, and I don't want to create a bald spot, so I always tend to start with open first and then work my way to closed. Doing that actually has a better fading gradient and makes the fade pop and be more blurry. It's also way more safer too. You can see a close-up there, the fade's coming along. Just a few tweaks there. So right now I'm gonna grab my 1.5 guard, lever open, and just debulk the top. The top up there is a bit bushy. Just trying to make it more smooth. So lever open and then work my way to closed. Even though this guard is big regarding about how much hair I have, it won't take off a lot of hair. But you know, it's a good practice to just start from lever open to closed. So lever close now and do the same thing. Right now I'm gonna grab my 0.5 guard, lever close, and use the corners of the blade to just do some detailing and make the fade pop even more. Right now, I'm just gonna line up the vertical bars real quick just to make it more cleaner. Take your time with it, like I said again, and just line it properly. So boom, that is the first side done. On to the next side. So this is the next side done. Clean, smooth, blurry taper. So now I'm gonna go in with the lineup. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial, I got a video right here in the corner showing there on how to give yourself a lineup, also with enhancements. Very in-depth, good tutorial. It's about 7 minutes long, I believe, and you guys can go check it out. This is my haircut with no enhancements, and boom, this is my haircut with enhancements. This is super easy taper tutorial. As you can see, I'm feeling myself. If you guys made it to the end of the video and you followed the steps, let me know in the comment section and I will answer you guys. And this is the end of my video. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next one. God bless. Peace.